So the Imam of this masjid was an Egyptian Imam. Every salah before he prays, he will say to the people, Sallu salata muwaddi'in. Pray the prayer of a person who is leaving this world. And subhanAllah, the first time I ever heard it was from him. And his repetition of that, for every prayer he'll say to the people, Stawu taqarabu wa'atadilu, like straighten your lines, come close to each other. La takhtalifu fatakhtalifa qulubukum. Don't become divided, so your hearts become divided. And subhanAllah, it was a repetition. So I memorized it from him. And that last statement, which is Sallu salata muwaddi'in, pray a prayer which is muwaddi', you're leaving this world. It resonated with me. That message resonated with me. Again, I'm not going into the technicalities of whether this is a sunnah or he should have done it or is it innovation. That's not the point. The point is, it used to make me pray that prayer with more khushu'. And it definitely used to make me get closer to the person who is praying next to me.